Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing your project for sharing. First, confirm Git is installed and you're logged into your remote host. This avoids permission issues. Open the folder in VS Code and open the source control view to watch changes. Then initialize a local repo, run Git init, stage all files with git add, and create an initial commit like git commit m init. Once done, create or verify a git ignore so you don't push secrets or build artifacts. Next, connect your local repo to a remote. In the hosting UI, create a new repo and copy the SSH or HTTPS URL. Choose private if needed. Back in VS Code, run git remote add origin URL, then push your main branch with git push u origin main or git push u origin master. Make sure to add a README, license, and basic CI files. Configure branch protection to enforce reviews. You can also enable Dependabot or similar to keep dependencies safe. Finally, grant access and distribute the project. Invite collaborators through the repository settings and assign appropriate roles. This controls who can push or administer. If you need live pair programming, install the VS Code Live Share extension and share the session link. Ensure collaborators clone via SSH or HTTPS per your policy. If something breaks, check Git remote v for correct URLs. Run git fetch and git status to diagnose and verify credentials or token scopes. Adjusting. Git ignore fixes accidental sensitive file pushes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.